Hey guys, so I'm heading to my apartment because I was at work when they called me that the plumber and the bricklayer are here, so they've started work already. So I'm heading there now to meet them. At least let me see what they are doing. So yeah, that's what I'm going to. Guys, I'm in a rush. Oh. Hey, why are there cows everywhere here? Such a hurry. He did not tell me he was already coming. He didn't tell me he's coming already. I had to even message him to know when he's coming, only for him to tell me that he's already here. Ah, God. Okay. So I had to leave work and start coming. Good morning. Sorry. I was at work. Good morning, sir. Thank you. Wow. Okay. We really started work. Okay, they've done that one, right? Okay, thank you so much. Alright. Okay, I seem to have fixed. Yeah. See? It's no more leaking. It was leaking from here. Yeah, let's check out the toilets. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I think everything is good. Check this one.
The thing is done, Abi.
Yes.
This is what
Yes.
it is done now. Look at the kitchen.
Although the toilet, come, let me show you. When I flush, you see water is pouring out from there. You see that? If I flush, are you seeing? Are you seeing? So, but the shower is done. This one too is okay. The sink is
This
done.
one is done already.
Yes, it's done. The shower is done too. Thank you.
No, Mama is here.
Okay, she's here. Oh, let me just see her. Keep it in mind.
This is inside.
Okay, okay. Oh, that's the problem. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Wow. More. Hold on, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Okay.
So, guys, that was the landlady. Yeah. She came to inspect because one of the other tenants complained of leakage in their bedroom. So, she came to inspect it so they can also fix it for him. Okay. Yeah. So, the work is going on. Yes. And, you guys, thank you so much. And if you're new here, you're very much welcome. Please do well to subscribe and be a part of us. Appreciate you for stopping by me. Returning subscribers, yes, you guys are the best. Thank you so much, everyone. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and share. Okay, God bless you guys. So yeah, stay with us and go nowhere. Keep watching.
Thereafter, you take responsibility for the whole.
Yes, ma.
If you need anything thereafter, you call him. You have his number.
Yes, ma. I've saved it.
I don't do my ultimately.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma.
Okay, you tell.
Yes,
ma. Personal. That place, tell the big light also touch that place.
Okay, ma.
Okay. I'm done.
All right. Thank you, ma.
They will also touch here, isn't it?
Yes, ma. He's already doing it.
Okay.
Yes, ma.
You say that he's always doing it. It's better. Why he's working, monitoring his work.
Yeah, that's why I'm here, ma. I came from work.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
ma. Thank you, ma.
All right. So have a nice day.
Thank you, ma. God bless you.
The place is sealed,
Okay, ma. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Apart from here,
She was saying the kitchen too. That's sink area in the kitchen. All right. Thank you.
What's your name?
Chine.
Huh?
Chine.
Okay, yeah. Okay, Igbo.
Yes.
From which?
Anambra.
Anambra. You sell past slippers.
Sorry?
You sell past slippers.
If I sell slippers,
Slippers.
I make.
You make slippers.
Yes. I make shoes and slippers.
Okay, you make shoe.
Yes. No, I'm still learning. I'm still learning, but I can do it. They're calling. She's calling.
Okay, they man.
So that's what I'm doing.
It's good though. I love you.
Thank you. It's old, ba? Do you see the cement? Okay, this is cement. It was under the staircase. Okay, now. Okay, yes, because I know there was one I dropped under the staircase. That's one. Okay.
That valet phone here. That valet phone here we read. Huh? We call you also that now I'm not buying. Which I buy herself. Why you gonna buy?
Hey, Breeze.
I'm not car on. When my love running about when never near Pagia. I'm in a lot of any oggy, any my car.
How do we fetch the water? Now we need like a rope for the water.
They're supposed to have a rope now. They're supposed to. They have a rope here now.
Okay.
Company upper. Oh, then you need it. You don't company. You need it. Don't you not carry it? The mamuna. Then you have to leave it. You ain't got no river. What I wear now? What you wear? Well, on that answer,
So, okay, you have a rope. Thank you.
Express. Yeah, quand on est en haut, tu sais que quelqu'un a payé. Quelqu'un a payé la jambe pour ouvrir la tête là dedans. Il va peu. my brother, on a corner of my life, like I can affect yourself. You can get me Yala, the West Coast, the picture of Moya. Who am I? You what I do? You go in here.
Hold on. The entrance door. They're the ones he has patched so far. So here too. Everything is done. Okay, to smoothen it back. Okay. This is when you need the water now.
Yes.
So I can get the water for you.
Okay.
Alright. This water is much. I don't know if you'll finish if you use all of them. Let me just carry it now. No, don't worry. I'll see. What he was doing was a smoothing. You can see how smooth it is now. Unlike when he first finished it was rough, but now it's smooth. You see? So he's almost done with his work. See everywhere. So I just finished sweeping this place, or the whole sand, except this place. So you can see his work is almost done. Okay, you're done, right? Okay. Thank you. So that's all for everything, right?
Yes.
So guys, he's finally done. He has done all the patches and everything. Okay, so yeah, you can see too everywhere. He has patched up everywhere. So I think I should be heading back to the shop now, because you guys know I came from the shop. So yeah, I will be heading back, and then later I will come back for the proper cleanup. Okay, yeah, and then of course I'm going to try and see if I can get someone to paint this place, like paint the patched area at least. So yeah, thank you guys so much for sticking around. Thank you for watching to the end. If you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to the channel and be a part of us. Give us a thumbs up, comment, and share to your friends. Okay, so yeah, this is Naya Space, and you all are welcome. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.